A few days ago, my friends asked me to do some simpler problems. So today I'm going to do COMC 2019 question A1 to A4. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe my channel.
Question A1 is Sean's password to unlock his phone is 4 digits long, made up of 2 5s and 2 3s. It is asking you how many different possibilities are there for Sean's password. And let us get into the solution now. So we know that there are only 2 5s and 2 3s, and the password is only 4 digits long. So there will be 4 choose 2 ways to place 5. And once this 5 is placed, there will be 2 more spots to place 3. So there are choose 2 ways to place 3. So then we can know that in total there are 4 choose 2 times 2 choose 2 ways to place these 4 digits. So there will be 6 times 1 ways, and which equals to 6 ways to have his password. And question A2 is triangle ABC has an integer side length and perimeter 7. Determine all possible length of side AB. And let us get into the solution for A2 now. If AB equals to 1, then we could know that BC equals AC equals 3, and this is a triangle. And if AB equals 2, then we could have BC equals 2 and AC equals 3, and it is also a triangle. And if we have AB equals 3, then we could have BC equals 1 and AC equals 3, and it will form a triangle too. If AB is greater than or equal to 4, then we'll have BC plus AC is less than or equal to 3. So then we can know that AB is greater than or equal to BC plus AC, which is not a triangle. So AB could be 1, 2, or 3. And question 3 is if a, b are integers such that a equals 0.6 times b and GCD a and b equals 7, and it wants you to find a plus b. And the solution for this question is a equals 0.6b, and we could rewrite it as 5a equals 3b. So that means a is a multiple of 3, so we can write it as a equals 3k. And b is equal to 5k, and k must be an integer. And we also know that GCD a and b equals 7. That means a and b are both multiplies of 7. And now we know that k must be a multiple of 7 too, so let k equals 7m. So a equals 21m and b equals 35m. And GCD 21m and 35m is 7m, and a equals to 7. And solve for m, we could have m equals 1. So now we can know that a equals 21 and b equals to 35. So a plus b equals 21 plus 35 equals 56. So question A4 is x squared minus 3 times absolute value of x plus 2 equals 0, and x to the 4th power minus 8 times x squared plus 4 has the same roots, and it helps you find this value of a. And let us get into the solution now. So the first equation could be rewritten as absolute value of x to the power of 2 minus 3 times absolute value of x plus 2 equals 0. And then we could solve for absolute value of x, and we'll have absolute value of x equals 1 or 2. So then we could know that x equals negative 2 or negative 1 or 1 or 2. So then we could know that x to the 4th power minus 8 times x squared plus 4 equals 0 has roots negative 2, negative 1, 1, and 2. And then x to the 4th power minus ax squared plus 4 will be equal to x plus 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. And x plus 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 1 equals to x squared minus 4 times x squared minus 1. And then we'll have it equals to x to the 4th power minus 5 times x squared plus 4. And so we can know that a is equal to 5.
These 4 problems are very simple problems. You only need some basic techniques to solve them. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions.